So hey everyone, today we will see what is the difference between for in loop and for off loop. Okay, both the loops are responsible to iterate an array and objects. Okay, so we will in this video we will see what is the actual difference between for in loop and for off loop. So the syntax for in loop is for let I in arr. Okay, let's create one array of name arr. Let arr is equals to 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and let's iterate by using for in loop console.log I. So as you can see here, here we are getting the index of the array. This is the first difference between for in loop and for off loop. Whenever we iterate the array by using for in loop, we will get the key, okay, not the value. So if you want to iterate the array by using for in loop, then you have to use that key or that coming index to access the value of array. How you can do that? You can do like this. When you print I console.log I, then you will directly get the values, not index and all. Okay, so here is the difference between for in loop and for off loop. In for in loop you will get the index, and by using that index you have to access the element of array, and in for off loop you will get the value directly. Okay, this is the first difference. So what is the second difference? Yeah, the syntax for off loop is let I of arr, and here you will get directly the values, not any index and key. Okay, what is the second difference? See, mainly for in loop is used to iterate the objects only. Okay, mainly we will iterate the objects by using for in loop basically. Okay, so let's create one object. Let obj is equal to name abc role programmer. Okay, so let's see, by using for in loop, let's iterate the for object by using for in loop. Let's print let's iterate obj and I comma obj of I. Okay, as you can see here, name and role are nothing but keys of object, keys which are present inside the object, and abc and programmer are nothing but values. Okay, so here I will give the keys, I will return the keys, and by using that key you can access the values of that object. Okay, so basically you can iterate the objects by using for in loop, but if you try to iterate object by using for of loop, you will think like it will return directly values, not keys. Okay, and when you run the program, you will get error. Okay, you will get error because for of loop is not for iterating objects. Okay, basically understand the concept here. For of loop is used to iterate the iterables only, and in JavaScript object is not an iterable. Okay, object is not an iterable. Array, string, sets, these all are iterables which we can iterate, but object is not an iterable in JavaScript. That's why for in loop is created for iterating the objects. Okay, for in loop is created by the Java developers for iterating the objects.